So, with the asterisk of, the only other thing, this is the AMX brain for the building, so tread carefully. Right. That is really
Go into the video back.
I don't know. Can this calm stuff move?
As long as we put it back together. Hey! Stop! Just playing around and get to work. Get out of here. You're going for the pitch. I'm going for a high five. Hey!
Oh, this is a door.
That's basically, it's trading spots with where the engineer used to be. And I think the where it was all the living is one stuff in there. That is more technically close to one of the tables. We ever have to roll out some of the You're out, so you have a bigger space and you just end up straight across. So I would say the issue that we were running into is with it going underneath is that you can't service it. Obviously now we have room. Our power units aren't snapped to the ground.
That's what we were trying to do.
I don't care.
It's awful to get a deal, Reg.
3000 number one is deep set. And it should be that number one is an extendo. So
You want me to do it?
That either means
Put your man pants on. Take that off there.
that means
I know it means here.
We can get it down the line to this computer, this computer, this computer, this computer. 10 feet on the end.
Slow your roll, bro!
Softest touch. But I could really get it out to be all over.
which honestly would pull it back.
And this is how that tile up there and find out if the turn 120 is an analog return input. The inputs for analog proxy signal, the signal is sent to the camera viewfinder or the SKH That's up to me. That's kind of over there.
Just cut new holes for access.
SFP or aux A.
Right.
This is card 4, aux A. No? Is it? see color bars on this one, so.
We have shifts and things like that. So even though you only see 32 sources right now, we're going to add more in as we go along. So still looking at our cross-point modules, right? So each one of those little squares is a build on that group. So your keyer select cross-points. Okay, so if we're working within keyers, we're going to select a keyer, and then we're going to use that line of cross-points to pick it.
Listen, it's okay to have questions. It's okay to go, wonder why they did that, or wonder why that was chosen. The feeling that I have right now is this sense like we're a pot of water. You know when you're getting water ready to boil and you've got